So I'm pretty sure sobra kayo excited kasi si POCO nagpo-post na siya about the X8 series. And there's going to be 2 phones na ilalabas and ito ang mga nalalaman natin. So don't go away after this quick intro. So there's 2 phones to be released this March 17, 2026. One is the POCO X8 Pro and the other one is the POCO X8 Pro Max. It seems to me lahat ng brands halos naglalabasan ng kanya-kanyang mga max na phones and si POCO hindi rin nagpapahuli sa balita. And nakita naman natin na sobrang successful ang POCO X7 and X7 Pro. And so this is the continuation ng series na yon, ang X series. And we've seen a lot of improvement din pag kino-compare mo siya sa POCO X7 series. Now, one of the best thing dito sa POCO X8 Pro is that yung kanyang processor. This time around, lalabas siya together with the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra na chipset. And I personally tested it and I wish gusto ko pakita sa inyo mga benchmark score pero medyo limited pa ako. And ipapakita ko everything na nagawa ko dito on this phone pagdating ng March 17 release niya. So don't forget to subscribe para ma-notify kayo, di ba? Pagdating sa multitasking, there's no question asked. Malakas itong chip na ito, si Dimensity 8500 Ultra. Pati sa gaming, hindi rin mapapatalo itong chip na ito. And I would say na medyo malaki lundang na compare sa 8400. That's for sure. Pagdating naman sa POCO X8 Pro Max, ito guys, ang laki ng step up niya. MediaTek Dimensity 9500S ang kanyang flagship level na chipset dito on this phone. Imagine mo halos flagship level, pwede mo nang siguro ihambing sa mga F-series ng POCO itong phone na ito. Normally, mga flagship chip nilalagay nila sa F8 Pro, F8 Ultra, pero this time, guys, nakita na natin sa X-series pa lang. So, imagine yung power niya. And kulang-kulang naaabot ako ng halos 3 million na Antutu benchmark score. So, imagine mo na lang yung kakayahan nito phone na ito, AAA games, walang problema. Mag-edit ng 4K video sa CapCut, walang rin problema. And there's a lot of other things that you can probably do with this phone. And I believe na kaya din niya mag-emulation din. No, hindi ko pa siya natatry personally. Now, pagdating naman sa battery, pareho silang malaki. Si X8 Pro would come together with a 6,500 mAh na battery, supporting a 100 watts na fast charging ni Xiaomi, and a 27 watts na reverse wire charging. Samantala si X8 Pro Max, 8,500 mAh sa kanyang battery, probably one of the largest na meron ni POCO for its mid-range na series. Kaya rin niya mag-support ng 100 watts na fast charging ni Xiaomi, and of course, a 27 watts na reverse wire charging. And I've tested both this device, makunat ang kanilang battery, so it can probably last you a day or 2 without even charging. Now, pagdating sa kanilang frames, normally yung mga dating X series, makita mo, plastic frames, pero not this time around. Metal frames na silang pareho, so parehong tough itong phone na ito pagdating sa kanilang framings, and pareho din silang glass back cover. Now, medyo pa exciting na moving forward ang kanilang camera. Si POCO X8 Pro would come together with a 50MP na Sony IMX na 882. Meron siyang EIS and meron siyang OIS. So, parehong stable if you're taking photo and if you're taking video. Meanwhile, sa X8 Pro Max, maganda rin ang kanyang camera. 50MP na Live Fusion 600, also coming together with a OIS and EIS to give you a better photography experience. And pareho na test ko na lang kanilang camera, I would say that it's pretty nice and solid. I wish na pwede ko pakita sa inyo right now, pero of course, ilalabas ko yung pareho on my full review. So again, don't forget to subscribe. Now, pagdating sa kanilang protection, pareho din naman silang tough IP68, IP69, and IP69K doesn't water resistance. So you know na talagang binudbud ni POCO ito dalawang phone na ito to give you maximum protection against dust, against water din. And to end everything yung kanyang display. Pareho sila 1.5K display na may 3,500 nits na maximum brightness. So, isipin mo, if you're just walking under direct sunlight, alam na, lalo na, magsasummer na, mainit ang araw, mababasa mo pa rin mga messages na sinasend sa'yo, notification, you can probably even watch videos while you're waiting for a bus under the direct sunlight. And the list goes on and on. And probably it will be okay din if you hit the beach this summer. And meron pa ako isang surprises sabihin sa inyo. Babalik si Tony Stark sa POCO X8 Pro. Meron siyang Iron Man Edition. This is really exciting kasi nakita natin sa X7 Pro ang ganda ng Iron Man Edition. Pero just a quick word of teaser, hindi siya color red pero color black this time around. which makita mo dito sa poster na ito. So probably nasabi ko na sa inyo everything na pwede ko sabihin sa inyo till this point. Malalaman mo everything more na gusto nyo malaman sa gaming, sa camera, sa performance, and everything pati benchmark on my full review sa March 17. So kayo guys, ano mas excited kayo? X8 Pro or si X8 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments, and of course, if you like this video, don't forget to share it sa inyong mga friends and balitaan mo sila na may bagong POCO na upcoming. And of course, ina-encourage ko kayo to like, subscribe dito sa akin channel so you don't miss out on mga videos like this one, a preview here sa akin channel. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako. Magkita-kita tayo sa launching ng POCO X8 series sa March 17. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.